Assalamu alaikum, grade 4. This is the time for another science lesson. As you know, we are studying about magnets, and in today's lesson we will study that how we can make magnets. Obviously the magnets that we will make will be the temporary magnets, and we can also make magnets. Some are stronger and some are weaker. So let's start our lesson. All of you good children, bring your science textbooks and open page number 105. Yes, my dear, now everyone write date and day on this page. This is page number 105. And I'm going to read it. I will explain it to you and you have to underline the important phrases, important lines. Okay, let's start. How are magnets made? We have learned that magnets can be found in the ground. We studied that now. And what are those magnets called? Lodestones, the magnets that are found from the ground. These magnets are called natural magnets. Yes, these are called natural magnets, and the other name for those natural magnets is lodestone. So now my dear, underline from here. Magnets can be found in the ground. These magnets are called natural magnets. Still there, underline it. Magnets can also be made using magnetic materials. Now this is another important line, so underline this also. Here are some ways in which magnets can be made, and we will discuss them in detail now. Good children. So the first method of making a man-made magnet is called touch magnet. We can make magnets using the touch method. A magnetic object such as an iron nail that is placed at the pole of a magnet becomes a temporary magnet. We just have to join the nail with the magnet, and then if the main magnet is very strong, then it will transfer some of its magnetism to the nail, and the steel nail will also become a magnet. Obviously it will not be as strong as the main bar magnet, it will be a weaker magnet. Look at the pictures carefully. In the first picture, the iron nail cannot attract the steel paper clip when it is not joined with any of the proper magnet. It is not attracting any paper clip. In the second picture, the nail is joined with the main magnet, a bar magnet. So magnetism is transferred. Some of the bar magnets magnetism is transferred into the nail, and now nail is also a magnet and it is attracting a paper clip to itself. The iron nail is now able to attract the steel paper clip. Okay, now we will discuss about the strength of that made magnet, artificially made magnet, and it all depends on the strength of the main magnet, that is bar magnet here in the picture. Okay, I'm reading it for you. The magnetic strength of the iron nail depends on how strong the bar magnet is. Okay, underline this also. The magnetic strength of the iron nail depends on how strong the bar magnet is. The stronger the bar magnet, the stronger the iron nail will be as a temporary magnet. Now underline this all. The magnetic strength of the iron nail depends on how strong the bar magnet is. The stronger the bar magnet, the stronger the iron nail will be as a temporary magnet. This is all very important. Means if look at the picture A, magnet A is not very strong, so the nail touching to that main magnet is just holding one paper clip. In second picture, where magnet B is a bit stronger than magnet A, and the nail joined to that magnet is a bit more stronger, so it is holding two paper clips. And again in third picture, magnet C is the strongest one, as it is transferring more magnetism to this nail, and that nail is holding, I think, 3 or 4 paper clips. Alright, so in these three pictures, magnet C is the strongest one because it is transferring more magnetism to the nail, and then nail has become also a bit stronger magnet, and it is holding 3 paper clips instead of 1. Okay, now I'm reading it, the descriptions for magnet A. Magnet A is the weakest magnet, so the nail attracts the least number of paper clips. Magnet B is of medium strength. The nail attracts more paper clips than with magnet A, but fewer than with magnet C. Magnet C is the strongest magnet, so the nail attracts the greatest number of paper clips. Okay, the next method of making an artificial magnet is stroke magnet. Stroke means to hit something lightly or to rub too hard things. Alright, the stroke method involves stroking or a hard rubbing. Stroking a magnetic object with a strong bar magnet many times. Now underline this all. This is the pure definition of stroke method of making a magnet, making an artificial magnet. Alright, here in this method, a magnetic material like a steel nail will keep on rubbed on a strong magnet, and it will be rubbed so many times, then it will also become a magnet even without touching the main magnet. Okay, now here comes the third method and the most important method of making a magnet, and that is called electrical method. An object made of a magnetic material becomes a temporary magnet when it is placed inside a coil. Coil means a spring, a turning of a metal string many times around something. Inside a coil of wire with electricity passing through it. This is known as the electrical method. Okay, my dear, now look at these pictures very carefully. In the first picture, we can see a switch, and the switch is not closed, it is open, means electricity is not flowing here. A battery, some paper clips, and an iron or steel nail that is coiled with a steel wire. Coil means taking round. Steel wire is wrapped, circled around that nail. Alright. When no electricity flows through the iron nail cannot attract steel paper clips. Here, look at this second picture. Here the switch is closed. Look at the switch carefully. It is closed, means electricity is flowing through the circuit. So there is a closed switch, batteries, some paper clips which are joined to the coiled nail. When electricity flows through the iron nail is able to attract steel paper clips. Okay, in the setup above, the pictures that we have discussed, the iron nail has become an electromagnet. Underline this word whole, electromagnet. An electromagnet is a magnet that runs on electricity. Runs on means it works with electricity. When the electricity is cut off means when no electricity is provided, the iron nail loses its magnetism and becomes an ordinary nail. Thus, electromagnets are very useful because their magnetism can be switched on and off. This allows them to pick up and drop magnetic objects. Okay, now my dear, let's discuss the amazing facts. Electromagnets help in recycling. They are used to remove useful magnetic materials from a mixture of magnetic and non-magnetic materials. They can even lift heavy cars that are made of steel. Scrapyard magnets. Scrapyard, a place where so much rubbish or waste materials are dumped. They are put in the scrapyard of so many waste materials. So scrapyard magnet lifting garbage that is made of magnetic materials. Okay, now the strength of an electromagnet can be changing the number of batteries and using batteries of different strengths. Now underline both of these the things through which we can change the magnetism of an electromagnet. So underline this line, changing the number of batteries, and the second line, using batteries of different strengths. Underline these both lines. Okay, now my dear, keep it in your mind that magnets do not last forever. So However, magnets do not last forever. Magnets will lose their magnetism if they are dropped or hit many times. They can also lose their magnetism when they are heated strongly. This is also something very important. So you have to underline from here, end of first line. Magnets will lose their magnetism if they are dropped or hit many times. They can also lose their magnetism when they are heated strongly. So till here underline this. Hitting a magnet many times will cause it to lose its magnetism. Yes, if you will hit a magnet so many times or burn it, make it so much hot, then it will definitely lose its magnetism. Okay. So my dear, this was our today's lesson about how to make magnets, artificial magnets. We studied 3 ways of making a magnet: touch method, stroke method and electrical method. All these 3 ways of making a magnet are very useful. So now it's time for some written work. Attachment is there with you. You have to do this work very neatly and nicely in your best handwriting in your science neat notebook. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.